Who's gonna take this quarter?
I don't know.
Who's gonna take it? The quarter!
I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, I'll just do this.
I'm gonna take it.
Mason, where are your pants?
What?
Where are your pants?
What?
Where are your pants?
In the laundry room.
Did you pee on them?
Yeah.
Why?
Shut up!
Oh.
Mason, we don't say shut up. Do not put the quarter in your mouth. Do not put the quarter in your mouth.
I put my mouth.
Why are you not supposed to put the quarter in your mouth?
Cause I
Because
did.
Jimmy found it in the
Because it's
toilet?
full of germs?
Cause it's full of germs.
Right.
And Jimmy found it in the toilet?
What?
Mason said he did?
He's already behind the toilet.
No, in the toilet, Mason.
Okay.
Ow!
Mason say for the people.
For the people.